So hexagonal plane of side 30 mm has edge on HP 45 degrees to the HP, that means surface making an angle 45 degrees to the HP, and edge which the plane rest is inclined 30 degrees to the VP, that means edge making an angle 30 degrees to the VP. Draw its projection. So one thing is confirmed that in this problem he given two angle inclinations. One is angle inclination to HP, he given 45 degrees. Next, angle inclination to VP, he given 30 degrees. Angle inclination to be given 45 degrees, angle inclination to VP given 30 degrees. So what is the base side? Side 30 mm. So in this problem he given two angle inclination, means we have to complete diagram in 3 stages. We have to complete diagram in 3 stages. Okay, stage 1 without any angle inclination, stage 2 one angle inclination, stage 3 second angle inclination. That means initial position. So here one thing is remember, he given 45 degrees to the HP and 30 degrees to the VP. Which angle inclination we have to take first? Which angle inclination we have to take first? That means depending upon the data, initially this hexagonal plane resting on HP, that means edge on HP, that's why HP angle inclination we have to take first. If the hexagon on VP means VP angle inclination we have to take first. So in the first stage also we will get front view and top view. Which view we have to draw first means true view we have to draw first. Front view looks like a straight line, top view looks like a hexagon. So really is it a straight line? No, it is a looks like a straight line, that means that is a apparent shape. So top view looks like a hexagon, really it is a hexagon, that's why true shape is hexagon, that's why we have to draw hexagon first. So, let's go into the problem. This is a reference line, XY line. So first stage, without taking angle inclination we are going to draw. So edge type hexagon. What is the base side? 30 mm. So at somewhere 30 degrees angle, 30 degrees base side, 120 degrees angle inclination, 120 degrees. Now same, draw one 90 degrees line, take this 30 mm, here to cut the arc, here to cut the arc. So by joining, so you will get hexagon like this. After getting this, A, B, C, D, E, F, like this way mark the points. So just project, we will get front view. So this is A dash comma B dash, this is C dash comma F dash, this is E dash comma D dash. Front view and top view without taking any angle inclination. Initially this hexagonal plane on HP, that's why HP angle inclination we have to take first. So what is the angle inclination with HP? 45 degrees. Now here to draw 45 degrees line. So whatever the length we got in the front view, just take the length, take here to here distance, that is A dash comma B dash, C dash comma F dash, E dash comma D dash, and then project downwards. From all the points. So F horizontal, F vertical, this is F. AE horizontal, A is going to coincide here, E is going to coincide here. BD, so B is going to coincide here, D is going to coincide here. C. So by joining all the marked points, we will get compressed hexagon like this. So this is the initial front view top view. So this is the second stage front view top view. Okay, only this line should be dark. This is only front view. This hexagon only top view. Only this hexagon should be dark. This line should be dark. Here also only this line should be dark. This hexagon shape should be dark. So stage 1, stage 2 over. Now coming to the stage 3. So he given 30 degrees to the VP. So what is making an angle 30 degrees to the VP? Edge making an angle 30 degrees to the VP. In the second stage diagram, so this is called edge, this is called corner. That's why we have to take edge, draw one angle inclined line 30 degrees, either right side or left side as your convenient. So this is 30 degrees inclined line. You have to keep edge of a second diagram on 30 degrees line. That is the meaning behind edge with the plane rest is inclined 30 degrees to the VP. That means you have to keep edge of second hexagon on 30 degrees line. So for avoiding confusion, so I would like to explain in a simple technique. So all of you go through this technique. So this is 1, 2 rectangle box, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw one rectangle box like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere construct 1. So 1 to 2, here to here distance, that is 2. Now here to here, whatever the value, whatever the length it is. So here this is a 90 degrees line, right? So 90 degrees line. So whatever the length it is, take that length and then project vertically up to here, then parallel to this line you will get 3, 4. So like this way you have to construct 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangle box, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now very simple. So 1 to this distance take with compass, that is A to B distance, that is B. Okay, next 2 to this distance, that is C we got. 3 to this distance, that is D. Here to here distance, that is, what is the value? E. Next 4 to midpoint, that is F. By joining all the marked points, so you will get hexagon. That means edge making an angle 30 degrees to the VP. So after getting this diagram, simply erase this rectangle box. Simply erase this rectangle box. Okay, so like this way. And then project down upwards, whatever we got hexagon, project upwards. This is a C vertical, this is B vertical, this is A vertical, so this is T vertical, F vertical, E vertical. Okay, so if you draw as per the dimensions, you will get exact step. So here to ED horizontal. So where is ED horizontal? So D vertical is going to coincide here, E is going to coincide here. This is D, this is E. Next coming to the CF horizontal. So C is going to coincide here, C. F is going to coincide here, F. Next coming to the AB horizontal. So B is coincide here, A is going to coincide here. So this is B, this is A. By joining all the marked points, so you will get compressed hexagon. So here we will get compressed hexagon. Okay, so here I didn't got exact shape, but if you draw as per the dimensions by taking projections with straight lines, we will get exact compressed hexagon. So this is a stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So hexagonal plane making a initially edge on HP, making an angle 45 degrees to the HP, and edge making an angle 30 degrees to the VP. So this is a very important from projections of planes.